Welcome back everyone. Today we'll be learning how to say time in Japanese. First we will learn how to say the hours. So as we had learned the numbers in our previous videos, you have to just add the suffix G. So the first column you are seeing is the numbers representing the hours, and then the kanji character for hour. Then we have the second column as Romaji, which is the pronunciation of the hours, and the English counterpart. So 1 o'clock would be Ichiji, 2 o'clock would be Niji, 3 o'clock would be Sanji, 4 o'clock would be Yonji, 5 o'clock will be Goji, 6 o'clock would be Rokuji, 7 o'clock would be Shichiji, 8 o'clock would be Hachiji, 9 o'clock would be Kuji, 10 o'clock would be Juji, 11 o'clock will be Ju-ichiji, 12 o'clock would be Ju-niji. That is the most common part. If you are following the 12-hour format, then this is the thing that you would say as represented in this table. But if you are following the 24-hour format, then you could go like 13, 14, 15, so on. So it would be 13 would be like Jun Sanji, Jun Yonji, and so on till 23rd hour, or 23 would be Ni Jun San Ji. Next we will learn about the minutes. Minutes are like the numbers, then the suffix fun. At sometimes it would be pun as well. We will see few of them. So 1 minute would be ipun. So pun is used, that is an exception, marked in red. 2 minutes would be nifun, 3 minutes would be sanpun, 4 minutes would be yonpun, 5 minutes would be gofun, 6 minutes would be roppun, 7 minutes would be nanafun, 8 minutes would be happun, 9 minutes would be kyufun, 10 minutes would be juppun, 11 minutes would be juippun, 12 minutes would be Junifun, and so on. It would follow the same pattern. The same exceptions will be followed, like we see that it's Sanpun and Yonpun. So if you want to say 13 minutes and 14 minutes, it would be Ju Sanpun, Ju Yonpun, and 15 minutes would be Ju Gofun. So the pattern is followed. So the first column you can see the numbers with the kanji character for minutes. So now we have few more pointers. If you are using the 24-hour format, then for the hours and minutes part, then you have to say the hours, that is the numbers with the suffix G, and then minutes, which is the numbers with the suffix fun or pun. But if you are using 12-hour format, then you would need AM and PM as in English. So for that we have AM as gozen and PM as gogo. But here's a catch. In English, AM or PM are used after telling the hour and minutes at the end. But in Japanese, gozen and gogo are used first, then the hours and minutes are said. The second pointer would be, if you want to say half an hour, then it would be the hour in numbers, then the suffix G and han. Han means half. So 2:30 would be Niji Han. We'll see a couple of examples in our next slide. The basic formula for saying the complete time is gozen or gogo, which is optional, only used in 12-hour format, then the hour with suffix G, and then the minute number with the suffix fun. So here are a few examples. What would you say 6:05? So it would be Rokuji go fun. Now, what about 12:35? It would be Ju ni ji san ju go fun. So for 12 it is Ju ni ji, and for the 35 minutes it would be Sanju go fun. Similarly, for 3:30, if you want to use the han, then it would be Sanji han. Now, in the 12-hour format, if you want to say 8:30 a.m., it would be Gozen Hachiji han. Then next, if you want to say 4:03 p.m., then it would be Gogo Nyoji san kun. And you can see the first column, it is having the numbers and the kanji characters, so that's how it is used. That's it for today. Bye-bye. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload new videos. Minasan arigato gozaimasu. Meaning, everyone, thank you very much.